Oh, you can hear me. I'm getting ready. At least I got pants on, everybody. You can hear me. I got pants on. All right. I just poured myself some tea. Have my breakfast. Let me sit in the seat here. Oh, where's my disclaimer here? Hold on. I need this up. 3, 2. Where is it? Oh no. Man, I'm losing it today. It's supposed to be like this, and I'm supposed to be on my arm like this. Oh. All right, 25 seconds. Here we go. This show is edutainment. It's viewed for educational and entertainment purposes. It's not financial advice. I'm not your financial advisor. Look at my wrist. My wristband is disappeared. Oh, my wrist! But yeah, I'm not your financial advisor. Don't know your situation. So with that said, let's roll. Oh my goodness, my shirt too is also invisible. Here we go. Hi, social media world. My name is Alfred Gordon Liu. Gotta fix this right here. And guess what? 8 minutes starts right now. Today, we're not talking about Home Depot. And look at that. I need to fix this. Sorry, everybody. Look at this. As you can tell, I have been juggling some stuff. I've been also working this weekend, doing the investing workshop, and then also spending time over at the Fan Expo, launching our book. So this Monday, I'm a little discombobulated, and it's also because it's President Day out in the States. It's actually the markets are closed. They're not really open. So we are just doing this as practice and exercise for today, talking about that company right over there with my invisible wrist. I like that. Look at that. Oh, my hand! Anyways, that's pretty cool. I'm geeking out like the kids do. So, we're talking about Intel today. Let's just get to it. For those of you who are my positional traders, let's get rid of Home Depot there. We're talking about technical analysis on Home Depot, on Intel. These are people that are looking to buy and hold dollar cost average into the stocks when it's dipping. And the indicators that we're looking at are the moving average, the MACD, and the stochastics. And I already got some stuff on here already. Look at that. Let's get rid of these drawings. And let's zoom in. So this is our wonderful Intel. As you see, ticker symbol INTC. And let's zoom on in. Let's see how they're doing. Woo-wee! So let's take a look at some of this stuff right here. I see red. I see red. And where's my third little circle? Boom, right here. You can also see that little red there. So I see 3 red arrows, which means this is, the first one means that the stock price is below the 20-day average. So it's definitely cheaper than normal, or cheaper than the last 20 days. There's more sellers right here, as you can see. Ooh, getting that big and small. So the sellers are selling their shares. As you can see here, they're starting to pull back. The buyers are starting to pull back a little bit. But they're still losing that tug of war. And here, usually when I look 1 circle, 2 circles, I look straight down and look at the trend. Is it going up or is it going down? That means people are becoming more fearful of the stock. People are getting out. And you can see the official red arrow drop back in February, right? February, sometime in February 20th or something. So as you can see, boom, boom. So those of you who are holding a position here, did it have a little bounce? Is it getting better? Yeah, this would have been your chance to dollar cost average and get into the dip, get a little more shares in it. So if you wanted to load up, that was the time. And it's coming back a little bit, but it's still on its way down. All right. And does it have further to go? Will it keep it going? I don't know. Intel, good thing to think about. Next thing, for those of you who are thinking about swing trading this thing, we got a different chart here for you. And why does this look a little different? I think it's this one right here. Yes. And I'm looking over here. Boom. We're looking at industry sector momentum. Everything's about chips right now. Semiconductors. Intel is in this space. They are not number 1. I think they're ranked number 5 in terms of semiconductors. They're not a real foundry company. They're more of a design company, but they're looking to get back into that space. And there's a lot of good news around them. So is there a dip? Is there a chance to buy it? Is there some volatility? Let's zoom in. These bands are what tell us about volatility in the stock. And this is on a daily chart. and let's go take a look at some circles here for us. So I'm gonna get some circles out here. As you can see back here, woo, look at that volatility that's going on here. I'm gonna point this out right here. This is all the way back in July of 2023. So this is last year. Yeah. Last year they had a little dip. Is that last year? What am I doing? Is this even the right chart? Let's see here. Yeah, hold on, Mike. Let's see, daily chart. Yeah, scrolling. Yeah, that is. Why does this look like I only have? Sorry about this, everybody. Let's take a look. This is a weird chart. It only goes till October, and we're looking at back in July. That's really strange. Well, you're watching me do some weird stuff here. Wow, everybody's watching. You're watching me mess this up. I don't know why this is, but I only have a chart for this day. Look, it only goes to 2020. Oh, it's really weird. Well, you know what? This is a good lesson. We're going back into time since the markets are closed. You'll see that what can happen on our earnings call. And let's just take a look. We're going to roll with the punches here, everybody. So you're looking at this wonderful, wonderful, gap down. And that means a lot of buying opportunities for people because, obviously on the gap down, this is what people call the dip. So you can see right here, textbook, it is above that Bollinger Band, just begging for it to come back. But it doesn't come back because of the earning call. It goes way down and it drops. And once it's outside of this range, this Bollinger Band, those are your buying opportunities, right? In hopes to sell again and looking for better news. So as you can see here, this is the earnings call. This was all the way back in July of last year. But look what one earnings call can do, the news that they come out. And there's been a lot of news coming out with Intel. So let us take a look at that if I can. Intel. Look what happens on a holiday, everybody. Invest in Intel. Intel news. So I got to go look at that for you here. As you can see, I am stalling because we're looking at this, and I am switching gears to this, and you are looking at Seeking Alpha. You guys can see that screen right now. Let's isolate that. Boom. Intel's had a lot in the news. They're looking to buy a foundry company to get back into the business, but they have been doing really poorly recently, and they've been spending a lot of money. So that's why people are scared of Intel right now. Definitely, they've lost their edge in terms of making chips and processors, but there's a giant need for cars, toasters, microwaves to do those chips, and Intel is shifting gears to make those chips for lower end things, not the high ticket items like your iPhone or whatever, or your giant Roomba. So they're going to make real simple chips. That's why Intel is spending so much money trying to get back into this race. And they only got 44 seconds. Oh my gosh. So let's go into intraday trading. Again, hopefully this chart is minute by minute. And again, the markets are closed today. So you're seeing this. But in this last couple days, and this chart is still stuck back in the 20s. I think it's because I have on demand open. But you can again see that giant dip. And they're trading. And what this gray is after hours. So this has been a crazy episode. It's 10 seconds, and I'm going to have to apologize for those of you guys who are watching. Thank you for sticking with me. But I'm going to take a pause here. The markets are closed. It's messing up my stuff. I don't have a wrist. It's invisible, as you can see. But thank you for sticking with me. Intel, obviously, let me see if I can rectify this, because this is not working out for me. I'm just resetting some stuff right here. Apologize for this. I got to give you a true look at this. I can't go on like this. Can't go on living a lie. So here, this is Intel, and I got a whole bunch of studies because I am looking at this company right now. So I want to remove all these studies or let them be. Get down to default and create a new drawing set. Boom, erase all that. So let's just do this over again, okay? I'm sorry, because today is such a mess. I'm just going to give you it all again. Boom. So positional trading. Let's take a look at this. We're going to go real quick, everybody. This is like fast review. Let's zoom it in. As you can see, this is what happens, and this is right now. In the right month, February, let's get these circles. Bam! One circle there, one circle there. Boom, also negative. So if you're a positional trader, maybe it's time to get out of that. Let's take a look at this. Boom. Next one. Swing traders. Let's take a look. Change for me. There you go. Again, I got some charts on here. That's fine. I'll let you look at that. Obviously got the fibs on there, Fibonacci's. I can get rid of those. Oh, you guys are, if you're staying with me, you're getting bonuses. You're going to see where I want to buy and sell some of this stuff. There you go. As you can see out here, outside the Bollinger Bands, definitely overpriced. Coming to an earnings call. Again, people don't like what the earnings call is saying. They're hiring new people, spending a lot of money. So people don't like that. You got an opportunity to buy right there, and it stabilizes. So it's coming back to fair value in this day. You'll see that I also have a put call on there as well at 46 bucks. It dropped down, so I got put those shares last Friday, and then I'll probably go trade them for a return. I was hoping to do it today and show you, but markets are closed, so you'll have to wait. Let's go to our intraday traders. What I'll probably do here when we look at this one, because this one is not the right chart, I'm going to here. That's my intraday. You can see I'm looking to put a call out there at 46 because I got put those shares. This is what happened overnight. It's kind of floating just under 45, but when it peaks out like this again, I'm going to take a look at this. Give me some green circles this time. Boom, right here. As you can see, it peaks out at 4 or 5, so I'm going to put a call out there when it gets to that level and the day chart. So that's what I'm looking for another sell opportunity like that. And you're looking for really good news as well. So with that said, you take a look at positional trading, you've taken a look at swing trading and intraday. This is something that I think is at fair value. So something to look at, traders. Lots of volatility going with this. I also think that there's a nice little tailwind with this company as well. Woo! That was a little extra time, everybody. I apologize. Last day at the Fan Expo. Hopefully tonight I get some sleep, and we'll be back at it tomorrow for, look at that, Johnson & Johnson. When I think of Johnson & Johnson, I think of the baby shampoo. All right? But they also make some other good baby items that we use in this household. So that's why that's on the list. We know it. We use it. Boom. We're consumers of Johnson & Johnson. So with that said, everybody, we've got a minute and a half. I got to get this stuff out of here. Got to get ready to go to the Fan Expo. Thanks for staying with me. Thanks for looking at my floating wrist. That's so cool. I'm going to make that a little bit bigger just because I'm having fun with that right now. I think this is where my kids get it from. Floating wrist. Invisible wrist. Oh, my hand. That's pretty cool. This is from the Fan Expo. They make sure that you have a wristband and that you've had your vaccinations before getting there. Because there's a lot of people gathering. Thousands. All right, everybody. With that said, I'm out of here. Thanks for sticking with me on this wonderful intel. Again, there's lots of trading opportunities. You got a sneak peek of some of the stuff that I am trading. So you know that it's at value. So, boom. Love you guys. I will see you tomorrow. Johnson & Johnson.